everyone, I'm Chef Meg, and today I'm going to walk you through the top gluten-free flours. Almond flour works great in both sweet and savory dishes, cakes, breads, but it's also a terrific thickening agent in your sauces and gravies. Corn flour is ideal for making cornbread, muffins, and biscuits, but it's also great as a thickening agent in your soups and stews. Rice flour has three main varietals. White rice flour is great for making mochi. Your sweet rice flour is going to be used for your general baking needs. And the brown rice flour, terrific for making cookies. Tapioca flour works best when you're looking for a chewy consistency, so great for cookies or bread. Oat flour's texture is similar to wheat flour, which makes it great for baking bread and pancakes. Chickpea flour's density provides structure to baked goods, especially bread and muffins. Coconut flour is highly absorbent, so when you're using it for baking, make sure that you're adding extra liquid and eggs. But that absorbency also makes it fantastic for breading chicken. Buckwheat flour has a strong taste, so that makes it best suited for recipes with robust flavors. Teff flour works well in cookies, brownies, and mocha treats. But you're going to want to cut it with another gluten-free flour like tapioca to give you a nice light structure in your baked goods. Potato flour contains more fiber, carbs, and calories than traditional flour. It's also great for breading meat. No matter what recipe you're creating, there's a gluten-free flour option for every application.